Good morning. So I'm not sure if you can tell or if you can hear, but it's raining pretty heavily outside. Okay, I wouldn't say it's heavy. You stand out there for 10 seconds and you're wet. The situation now is that we're just chilling in the house and enjoying the apartment. We do have to leave at like 12 something. We are going ziplining at 3:30 and it's supposed to rain all day today, so we're definitely gonna get wet at 3:30. I think we might go into town after my sister wakes up because she's still not up. Yeah. It's like the perfect weather to stay in. Let's get changed. Okay, we need to go.
Oh shit, we took out a wire,
I told you, pa.
Sorry.
And we have done this before at Nelson, and AA have been, and they said that, and he just, what did he do?
He jump started. He just
And
jump
he
started
said
the car.
it's to do with the battery. No fly.
Huh? It's 1 o'clock and we finally made it to Glenorchy with time to spare. We also got a new car. New whip, baby!
Where?
Yeah.
Right.
It's still raining, but the fog is less.
The car park to the
So I think it'd be pretty cool while we zip line. There's our ride up.
Let's go. The driver is here.
We're gonna register our presents now, but good news, it's not really raining as heavily, like barely a drizzle. Okay, it's 1:20. We're walking over to the van. It's not raining, but it's freaking cold. Wish us luck. Oh! Are you okay? It was being dumb.
No, I was running over.
What here?
Are you okay?
Did you get that video?
No, I didn't.
That's pure athleticism,
Yeah.
I can't lie.
Wait, do you need a toilet, Mom?
On site.
Okay.
Wait, you don't look like a gorilla sitting here.
Alrighty folks, welcome in. My name's Lachlan. I'll be with the guys up behind there.
We're getting harnessed up. I'm so glad it stopped raining because I was so scared of the cold. It is drizzling a little bit, but nothing compared to just now, as you guys saw. But yeah, time to get harnessed up and see some views.
Once you're equipped on, you can walk up to the start of the zip line. That puts you on the way. All the way down.
It's raining! No! We have a 20-minute walk up in the rain first. Yeah. The Air Forces are not gonna survive. I should have worn my boots. Now we know. Oh, it's raining. Oh my God. Rain. Look at what we're about to go over. Ah! We're going over that orange thing. Mama's going.
Lift your feet up. You go.
Yeah, Ma! Woo!
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, when you're ready, take a seat. There you go. Down to the green.
Okay, we just finished. Thoughts?
Very sick. Very picturesque.
Yeah. And the sun came out.
Marketplace later today.
It's about 4:30. We're just exploring Glenorchy and it's so pretty. Okay, I'll catch you when we're back in Queenstown. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're at dinner and guess what I got? Ribs! And so did the rest of my family. Itadakimasu! Everyone already started eating.
Gotta be always got to